Thanks.
New data from the American Heart Association shows nationwide emergency room visits were down 42% this April compared to the same time last year. Locally, St. Luke's Hospital's doing about the same. This April, ER trips were down 44% compared to last April, while numbers for June show a slight rebound. They're still way down. Medical experts call those numbers very concerning. KBJR 6's Ryan Campo explains why.
Doctors are blaming the drop in ER visits on COVID-19, and people are wondering if it's safe to visit a hospital or call an ambulance amid the pandemic.
No matter what fears you may have of COVID-19, if you have any signs or symptoms of a heart attack or stroke, we really, really want people to call 911 to go to the emergency room.
Which is why the American Heart Association and St. Luke's announced a new campaign Thursday called Don't Die of Doubt.
This is really to remind people to take care of their heart, and if they have symptoms or concern about symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical care.
It stemmed from data that shows ER visits across the nation dropped 40% in April as the pandemic began to hit the U.S. in full force. Dr. Mary Bolin, a heart surgeon at St. Luke's, said when the state had the high rise in COVID-19 cases in June, their number of acute ER patients dropped off.
For a couple weeks, they didn't come in, and that was really scary to me. That meant that they were not getting attention. They were afraid to get attention, and we can't let that slide.
Which is why officials from both organizations are asking you to get help when you need it, citing the large amount of safety protocols inside hospitals.
Even if you were to come down with the coronavirus at some point, this is the safest place to be, whether that's what you have or if you have a heart attack or stroke. But if you have a heart attack or stroke, time is critical, and you can't waste that time sitting at home and wondering and doubting.
And for more information on the campaign and community resources, a link is going to be posted at KBJR6.com.